All right, Tony. I'm going to try to do this. I'm on a plane, actually. So, anyways, it took me a couple days to sort of wrap my head around this, and I think that the beginning stuff will work fine. This part four, this might have sort of come off of your radar a little bit, just because it's been a couple of days. But the adjustments I'm looking for are pretty straightforward. So, I think that the treatment of this should be something along the lines of coming out of this. So of course I've got this in Sibelius now, but our bar numbers at least should align. But bar 33, you can sort of see where I'm talking about this material right here. I think we're fine up to here. I think these next couple bars work fine. But what I think that we need to do to help us sort of get get out of having to do this sort of build up here, just because it's great. It just takes a little bit of time, just based on the original. So not a new treatment on our end. So I think that honestly we can get rid of that. Maybe we'll put it like underneath a pin or something. But what I would like to do is I would like to get into this section, into it here, the big tutti mode. D D D D D dum. And what I would like to do is I would like to treat that in 3/4, similar to here. So I would like the pulse to stay the same. We'll go all the way through the first phrase at that faster pulse, and then we're going to actually slow it down to, I believe, the dotted quarter pulse. So, D, 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 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. D, 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 D. D, D, da, D, right? So what I'm thinking is that take that melody and just sort of convert it to 3/4. Sorry, I know it's super loud on here. Hopefully that made sense. But take that melody, bring it into 3/4. It won't be the full volume yet, so we're probably talking about this first phrase, just at forte, right? And then it will take us to the dotted quarter pulse at fortissimo. So once again, see if the pit can maybe help us get to there, either through these 4 bars. I tell you what, let's extend it 4 more bars of pit to get us into that E flat area, which should be pretty easily done. And like I said, once again, sort of a 3/4 treatment of the first phrase, the Russian Christmas music chorus. Dee 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 dum. Dee dum dee 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 dum dum. Still fast. Dee dum dee 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 dum. So after one full time through the first phrase, then it goes into the dotted quarter pulse, which will be the fortissimo. So hopefully that makes sense. It's going to help us get to that Russian Christmas music material a little bit sooner, and I think it's going to treat it a little bit better. So that way we keep the pulse sort of going, it's sort of a creative treatment of the 3/4 Russian Christmas music, and then it gets us into sort of that last big chorus. And then honestly, once we get into the dotted quarter, just sort of finish it out, and then we can stay at the pulse of the dotted quarter, sort of like you did at the Maestoso here. Measure 68, where we went to quarter equals 108. So it should, if you decide to move it into 4/4. Actually, I think actually you should be able to move it to 4/4, maybe even at 108. D D dum D D D D dum D da 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 D dum dum. I don't know. See what you think about that, but all that should make sense pretty pretty straightforward 3/4 treatment into a slower treatment of the ending, and just sort of finish it out. So that's going to get rid of this development section. But like I said, let's put that in underneath the pit transition that's going to happen when we're going from B flat to E flat. So we'll let the percussion sort of take that lead, but if you can sort of outline some harmonic, just the harmonic way that we get there, that'd be good. And honestly, I think that'll do it. So cool, man. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks as always.